is an advocate of eco-conscious children. Ireland. Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan's advocacy is responsible tourism. Kyrgyzstan. Malaysia. Malaysia's advocacy is no stray on streets. Malaysia. Malta. Malta's advocacy is mental and physical health. Malta. Netherlands. Netherlands advocacy is reforestation and animal protection. Netherlands. Northern Marianas. Northern Marianas Marianas is an advocate of marine conservation. Northern Marianas. Pakistan. Pakistan's advocacy is planting more trees. Pakistan. Palestine. Palestine's advocacy is environmental awareness campaign. Palestine. Reunion Island. Reunion Island's advocacy is planet preservation. Reunion Island. Slovenia. Slovenia is an advocate of ecotourism. Slovenia. Spain. Spain's advocacy is environmental education. Spain. USA. USA is an advocate of environmental education. USA. Vietnam. Vietnam's advocacy is planting more trees. Vietnam. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe's advocacy is human and wildlife coexistence. Zimbabwe. Ladies and gentlemen, on stage once more are our candidates in their most sophisticated long gown. To serenade our lovely ladies is a renowned Vispop artist, Kurt Fick.
Sugong ang mga bituon nga nagasidlak sa langit, pagkaanindot nga kaputon. Ug sa dihang nakita ka, wala lang nakudamha, ug sa kalit na bag-o ang tanan. Pangandoy ka lang ning akong dughan, wala na ko damha, gabation ko. Mubundak man ang ulan, uguto nga ang kahayag kanimo, kinabuhi ko, gipaanindot mo, katam isa kugma, ampingan ta sa kahangturan. Ang huyuhoy sa hangin, kabugnaw sa kagabiun, handumanan sa ng labay panahon. Ug sa dihang nakita ka, wala lang nakudamha, ug sa kalit na baguang tanan, pangandoy ka lang ning akong dughan, wala na ko damha, nabation ko. Bubundak man ang ulan, umuto nga ang kahayag kanimo, kinabuhi ko, gipaanindot mo, natamis sa kugma, ampingan ta sa kahangturan. Sunog ang mga bituon nga nagasidlak sa langit, pagkaanindot nga kauton. Pangandoy ka lang ning akong dughan, wala na ko damha, nga bation ko. Mubundak man ang ulan, ugmuto nga ang kahayag kanimo, kinabuhi ko, gipaanindot mo, katam isa kugma, ampingan ta sa kahangturan, sa kahangturan, sa kahangturan, la la la, sa kahangturan, sa kahangturan. May gabi ninyong tanan. Good evening to our lovely ladies here tonight. So dito anay lang nakulbaan ko nga ako may gipakanta diri kay kasagaran biyang mo serenade sa mga ingani pagid kagwa kaambungan nga mga kandidata kay mga tag-as, mga macho, mga gwapo. Wa ko ningon nga di ko gwapo, pero pasalamaton ko nga ako mo'y napilian o giimbitar ko pinaagi sa opisina sa atong pinalanggang Congressman Pablo Jan Garcia nga mukanta alang sa atong mga ambungan nga candidates. Og dako pud kayo na kong garbo nga karong gabi una ang atong gikanta nga mga kanta binisaya og about sa gugma. So this next song of mine, uy dako sa dikeng garbo nga diri gyud sa Sugbo, sa Tercero Distrito, ug labi na gyud sa tanan, labaw na gyud sa tanan sa Gem of the Midwest sa Tubura. Nataka natong masipang pakpak This next song of mine is about trusting in the universe or in a bigger force that persevering love will arrive. Puhon. Puhon means soon, or the better translation of the word is in God's perfect timing. So this one's for you ladies, and I hope you find true love that will persevere. Di ko mo saan o forever, ako ug ikaw. Ang importante we'll be together now. Puhon maayong lawas, we'll know our love is true. Apan karon, I think the best thing I can do is getting to know you. Wako kahibaw nugwa. Ug di na lang kumadaho. Wala may kakahapon nga madiskutan at tunay karon maunang sa pagkakaroon. Good na gyud ko sa puhon, puhon, puhon at tunay pa'y higayon. Puhon, puhon. Ang mga pang now or never can be over too fast. Maunang ako, I would rather wait for the kind of love that will last. Puhon kita gihapon ang maghigugmaay. The only time will tell if it's really you and I. I'm willing to try. What? Wala may kakahapon nga mag-iskutan at tunay karon maunang sa pagkakaroon. Good na gyud ko sa puhon ang tukang panahon. Hatis kung una pa'y ugma ug tunay kayo. Tunay pa'y paglaong. Everybody, baby. Wako ka, wako ka baldo asa tapaingon. Okay na lang kumataho. Wala may kakahapon nga mag-iskutan. Doon ay karon maunang sa pagkakaroon. Kibisag asa man tapo dito. Kung nagyud ko sa puhon, puhon, puhon at tuna pa'y higayon. Puhon, puhon. Puhon, puhon at tuna pa'y higayon. Puhon, puhon. Makakitaran niya. Puhon. Daghang salamat. I love you, Tuburan!
Thank you, Kurt Vic. Please welcome back on stage the beautiful Carla Paula Henry Amon.
Thank you very much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Our Echo Angels here on stage with me already. The judges have already decided who among these lovely ladies are going to be going home with some very special awards this evening. And our tabulators are, I believe, very hard at work and are just about ready to hand in the results for me here. We are just moments away before we proclaim this year's pre-pageant winners. So friends, ladies and gentlemen, let's give another big round of applause to our 21 candidates for Miss Earth 2022 here at the Municipality of Tuburan. All right, here we go. Our tabulator officially handing in the results. So we are going to have a few special awards that we're going to be giving out to our stunning ladies this evening. So let us not keep you guys all waiting. Let's begin with our best in opening production number.
To present the award, please welcome for the bouquet, Mr. Roy Erwin Tizon, together with Honorable Luis Potenciaso.
See your loving glow in a lush flower. Watch your dreams take wings over skies so blue.
As our presenters make their way to the stage area, may we once again request from our tabulators
Glory,
the official result for our best in opening production number.
every golden story. She's the woman of the earth, spreading love and joy, fun and laughter. Woman of the earth, making miracles forever after. Loving every word.
You know, our lovely ladies, you guys did all so well in the production a while ago. You guys gave it all your best, and it was an amazing way to start the show. So the announcement of best in production number, we're going to delay that just a little bit because we're going to make it a little bit more suspenseful for everyone here. We're going to award, though, right now, the award that's my personal favorite, because this award is the only, and I mean the only award that is in the hands of our candidates themselves. Ladies, do you know which award this is? This is the Miss Congeniality.
To present this award, please welcome Honorable Marvin Monterola and Miss Eva Saiki Patalingho.
Now, our candidates have been together for some weeks preparing for tonight's preliminary competition. They've gotten to know each other well and have made friendships that go beyond the pageant. One of the most significant awards will be given to the lady chosen by her fellow candidates to be the kindest, most sincere person in the group, and she will receive the Miss Congeniality title. So here we go. Our Miss Congeniality for Miss Earth 2022, I believe the water batch, is none other than Miss... Any guesses, Tuburan? Miss Kyrgyzstan. Congratulations to Miss Kyrgyzstan. Up next, we have Miss Photogenic. Miss Photogenic was chosen by our official photographer, Mr. Sid Tabo and his team, and this year's Miss Photogenic will receive a blow-up picture, sash, a cash prize, and a. May we call in our official photographer to reveal this year's Miss Photogenic.
Miss Photogenic Award, please welcome our official photographer, Sid Tabo-Tabo.
Listen to her voice, singing in the wind.
Giprint pa ko ng photo.
In the golden sunlight, she was born to love. Kiss our tears away, vanish all our fears. Fill the world.
I will do the honors in announcing Miss Photogenic this year. Miss Photogenic for Miss Earth 2022 Water batch is Miss Bosnia and Herzegovina. Congratulations to Miss Bosnia and Herzegovina. Up next, we have our award for Miss Fit and Fab.
To present this award, please welcome Madam Teresita Catalina Diamante together with Attorney Raul Coro.
Miss Fit and Fab will receive a sash, a cash prize, and a bouquet. Miss Fit and Fab is Miss. Any guesses? Any guesses, Tuburan? Miss Brazil!
To present the Miss Fit and Fab Award will be Madam Teresita Catalina Diamante together with Attorney Raul Coro. Congratulations to Miss Brazil. Would you like help with your bouquet?
It's beautiful. Your bouquets are absolutely stunning. They may be a little bit over baggage at the airport tomorrow, but worth bringing, aren't they? Okay, up next, we have a corporate award to award one of our stunning ladies this evening, and this also has to be my favorite, because this is my favorite when I come here in Tuburan. Miss Tuburan Coffee. Miss Tuburan Coffee will be awarded by Mr. Jan Jamante, Tyrone Jamante, and Lalani Jamante Rabago.
Listen to her voice.
Miss Tuburan Coffee is Miss...
Feel her chant
Any guesses?
in the
Miss Brazil. You know, I think, Miss Brazil, you need someone to help you carry this bouquet. So may I ask Mr. Lance to please come here on stage and help assist Miss Brazil with her bouquet? Agoy. Mayor, magpakuha na gyud ni siya ang passport kay mularga na gyud ni siya. Wala pa sa ni siya sa Amerika, diretso na siya South America, Mayor, no? Hi, congratulations to Miss Brazil, our Miss Tuburan Coffee. Congratulations to also to Mr. Lance for winning Miss. All right, our next corporate award this evening is Miss Diamond Logistics. This is to be awarded by Ma'am Odessa Diamante Castillo, Cide Diamante, and Attorney Yan Diamante. Our Miss Diamond Logistics goes to Miss Zimbabwe. Congratulations to Miss Zimbabwe, our Miss Diamond Logistics. Up next, we have our best in production number. This lovely lady was the one who stood out during our spectacular opening number, which was held at the beginning of tonight's event. Best in production number goes to Miss, once again, Zimbabwe.
To present the Best in Opening Production Number Award, please welcome Mr. Roy Erwin Tizon together with Honorable Luis Potencioso.
Miss Zimbabwe, our best in production number. Up next is our Tubod Festival Queen. This award goes to the top 3 candidates who captivated the hearts of the Tuburanons and will serve as the Tuburanons' choice. They will receive a sash, cash, and bouquets. So may we have our representative from our official tabulators to hand in the results.
To present the award for Tubod Festival Queen's second runner-up, please welcome Honorable Carmeli Luz Huezo and Mr. Al Santiago.
All right, Tuburanons, this is your choice. Shout to me who are the 3 ladies that have captured your hearts. Pinsa? Oh, I don't know. Ladies, can you hear them? No, right? I think you guys need to be a little louder. Kusga pa, Lance. Di pag yun madungog, Lance. How about those in the back? Tuburanons, kinsa mangyod? Mama ko'y labot, Char. Mama ko'y labot, Char. Okay, tungod kay gipasyagit ta mo og maayo, ipa-suspense na sad pod ta mo maayo. No, because we will move on first to our winners of our lagi ni siya dire. Wait sa. Padung na. Here we go. Our best in beachwear. We will have 3 winners. So let us begin as our tabulators are handing in the results to me right now. Let us begin with our Best in Beachwear's second runner-up.
To present the award for Best in Beachwear second runner-up, please welcome Honorable Rodilio de la Serna and Miss Eva Saiki Patalingho.
Our Best in Beachwear second runner-up is Miss USA! Congratulations to our second runner-up in Best in Beachwear. Up next is our Best in Beachwear first runner-up.
To present the award for Best in Beachwear first runner-up, please welcome Honorable Carmeli Luz Huezo together with Mr. Al Santiago.
runner-up is Miss Netherlands. Congratulations to Miss Netherlands. Up next, we have our winner of the Best in Beachwear.
To present the award for Best in Beachwear, please welcome Miss Earth 2019 Nellis Pimentel, together with Honorable Democrito Aljunjamante.
Best in Beachwear for Miss Earth Preliminary Beachwear Competition here in the municipality of Tuburan is Miss, I think it's pretty obvious, Miss Brazil. Ladies and gentlemen, the three Echo Angel winners of the Best in Beachwear here at the municipality of Tuburan. Congratulations to Miss USA, Miss Netherlands, and of course the winner of Best in Beachwear, Miss Brazil.
Thank you, ladies, and congratulations to our first batch of awardees. You may now take your graceful exits.
All right, Tuburanos, as I mentioned a while ago, we do have one last award this evening, and this is the Tubod Festival Queen. We will be awarding 3 winners this evening, so may we ask our official tabulators to please hand in the results.
Singing in the wind, feel her gentle touch in the golden sunlight. She was born to love, kiss our tears away.
My apologies, ladies. You may take your graceful exits and relieve yourselves of your beautiful bouquets. Because in just a little while, we will be announcing, of course, the winners of our Tubod Festival Queen here in the municipality of Tuburan. But in just a little while, we're also going to give you guys a little glimpse of a song number So once again, ladies and gentlemen, I bid you farewell and I turn you over to the stage for one quick intermission number.
See your loving glow in a blush flower. Watch your dreams take wings over skies so blue. She will save the earth and its every glory.
Sponsors: C5 Electronics and Telecommunication Parts and Equipment, Rusi, Mount View Funeral Homes, Amaris Enterprise, Dexter's Eatery, Jacinth Pro Farms Incorporated, Iron Enterprises and Auto Supply, Sanjo Medipharma Philippines, Cebu Surgical and Medical Enterprises, Centrade Hardware Corporation and Blue Pool Water Park, Work Essentials Trading, Regents Novelties Corporation Incorporated, Sebeco 2, Buena Puntillas, New Keens Trading, 7th DCMC Worldwide Incorporated, Trendmaster Enterprise and Service Shop, Mr. and Mrs. J. Buhol, Pablo General Merchandise and KCT Gas Station, Rosemary's Fashion, Davis Paint, San Remigio Cultural Center and Leisure, JQ Professional Lights and Audio, Bagasawe Construction Supply, Jigon Hardware and Construction Supplies, Dodong Renren Trading, Cebu Park Lane International Hotel, Suwan Sportswear and Graphics Design, PFC Dormitory, Cebu Technological University, Tuburan Campus, Villa Estrella Beach Resort, Formosa Camp Resort, Lantawan Restaurant, High-End Business Farm Solutions, Panandos Beach Resort, Dayang's Pension House, Vidar Beach Resort, Firmes Beach Resort, Punta Sublima, Calidades House of Flowers, Ako Bisaya Party List, Alberg Ship Management Philippines Incorporated, Golden Prince Hotel and Suites, FDC Construction and Supplies Company, Millennial Tea, Obra Collections, Colonel J.B. Cometa, Tuburan Cafe, Diamond Logistics and Customs Brokerage, DM Diamante Trucking Services Corporation, Juga Builders, Tuburan Coffee, and Municipality of Tuburan. Thank you so much. We would also like to thank the following additional sponsors. One-liner sponsor, IJD Marketing. Silver sponsor, Oh My Glass. Gold sponsors, Congressman Sunny Lagon and Congresswoman Inday Daphne Diamante Arias Lagon. Ubi Express Transport Services. Saturn Gaming and Amusement Corporation. Titanium sponsor, WTG. Daghang salamat. Let's give it up to Mr. Ryan DeParini.
again. Bring me the classics, something romantic. Give me my all when I don't even have it. I always dream of a solar face, someone who feels like a holiday. But I'm in pieces, really believe it. Starting to think that I've lost all feeling. Looking at a blue on a rainy night, no lie. I tell you I almost died, but you'll bring me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid of leaving, could it get any better? I ain't giving up on the world forever, until you give up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my angel, angel, baby. I fall in love with the little things, counting the tattoos on your skin. See me secrets, baby, I keep it. And maybe we could play house for a weekend. We came in a blue on a rainy night, no lie. I tell you I almost died, but you'll bring me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid of living, could it get any better? Starting giving up on the world forever, until you give up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my angel, angel, baby. All the images tonight that I've been waiting for you. Reading words it all upon. I just wanna live in this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid of living, could it get any better? So I ain't giving up on the world forever, until you give up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my angel, angel, baby, angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my angel, angel, baby.
Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Brian Claudio Deparini, Sinulog Idol 2014 Grand Champion. This time around, let's call back on stage once more are our candidates for Miss Earth 2022, together with Miss Earth 2008, Carla Henry Amon.
Diba? Lami akong intro. Mauna ginang mama, oy, senior. Seniors come first.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our 21 stunning candidates of Miss Earth 2022. Let's welcome them back here on stage as we announce our final award this evening. Anta. Mauna gid ni.
Listen
it's been an exciting night for everyone. So here we go. I'm not going to prolong it any longer. Let's award first our ladies who will take home, or the three winners of our Best in Fashion Gown. Our second runner-up for Best in Fashion Gown is Miss Zimbabwe.
Coffee in her long gown, please welcome Capfredo Diamante and Miss Yan. To award our second runner-up, as we are awarding already our Best in Evening Gown tonight. I would like to thank my designer for this evening. Daghang salamat to Ray Escario for this wonderful attire, or this masterpiece this evening, because it's a combination of resort wear and evening gown. I like to think so. Daghang salamat to Ray Escario all the way in New York right now. To Miss Zimbabwe. Up next is our first runner-up for Best in Evening Gown. To present the award for Best in Fashion Gown, first runner-up, please welcome Vice Mayor Donnie Diamante together with Madam Stella Diamante.
Our first runner-up for Best in Fashion Gown is Miss Brazil. Congratulations, Miss Brazil. Now the winner of the Best in Fashion Gown.
To present the award for Best in Fashion Gown, will be Mayor Aljon Diamante together with Madam Teresita Catalina Diamante.
The best in fashion gown for this evening is Miss Kinsa? Miss Netherlands. Congratulations to Miss Netherlands, our best in fashion gown for this evening. All right, Tuburanons, are you ready? Ayo! Are you guys ready to know who our Miss Tubod Festival is? Okay, let us begin with our second runner-up.
To present the award for Tubod Festival Queen second runner-up, please welcome Mayor Roslyn Aso and Consejal Eugenio Arrigo.
Our second runner-up for Miss Tubod Festival is Miss. Any guesses, Tuburanons? Miss Netherlands. Congratulations to Miss Netherlands. Beka siya mga bungi. Mating siya ko alin sa unya. Di ba nila madatan ng ma'am? Announce na ko diri. So dili siya mating light or siya na mating. All right, our first runner-up for the Miss Tubod Festival is
To present the award for Tubod Festival Queen first runner-up, please welcome Honorable Marvin Monterola Attorney Raul Coro, and Miss Earth 2019, Nelly's Pimentel.
Our Miss Tubod Festival Queen first runner-up is Miss Zimbabwe!
Listen to her voice, singing in the wind. Feel her gentle touch in the golden sunlight. She was born to love, kiss our tears away, vanish all our fears, fill the world with joy. She's the woman of the earth, spreading love and joy, fun and laughter. Woman of the earth,
Congratulations to Miss Zimbabwe. Here we go, Tuburanons. Your Miss Tubod Festival Queen for 2022 is Miss. Shout it with me. Miss Brazil.
To present the award for Tubod Festival Queen 2022, please welcome Asik Salvador Deputado together with Miss Eva Saiki Patalingho.
Congratulations to your new set of the Miss Tubod Festival Queen, Miss Miss Zimbabwe, Miss Netherlands, and Miss Brazil. May we now ask all our winners for this evening who have received special awards to please join our lovely ladies here up front for a quick photo opportunity. So may we request the winners of the Best in Beachwear, as well as our
Listen to her voice.
Congratulations to the winners. You guys are truly Echo Angels, and to all of the board of judges and tabulators, thank you very much for sharing your time and expertise. Gatay.
In the golden sunlight,
Na nakaatay hinunta diri sa stage.
kiss our tears away, vanish all our fears.
Mao na goodness. Ayos ako sa Noga, sir. Oy, ako ko'y mga racket.
She's the woman of the earth.
Thank you, ladies, for saving my life.
Laughter, woman
Okay, pwede na? Safe na ta?
come.
Okay, congratulations once again to all the winners of our event tonight. And daghang salamat to all our judges who made time to be here with us this evening. And to all our special guests, daghang salamat pod kaayo for visiting us here at the municipality of Tuburan. A big thank you to, of course, our municipal officials of Tuburan headed by Mayor Democrito Aljun Diamante and Vice Mayor Danilo M. Diamante with our municipal councilors. Daghang salamat to the Miss Earth organization, the very hardworking committees and sponsors, and of course our designers, makeup artists, working committees, production staff, and to everybody here in Tuburan, daghang salamat kaayo. Thank you for welcoming Miss Earth 2022 to your home. It has been a pleasure to be your host this evening. My name is Carla Henry, Miss Earth 2008, and we will all see you again for the next round of competition. Please do not forget to catch these lovely ladies for the Grand Coronation Night on November 29, which will be held in Manila. So please do not forget to follow our Instagram pages and our Facebook pages as well. Daghang salamat on behalf of Miss Earth organization. Thank you. Have a good evening and stay safe, everyone.
Listen to her voice, singing in the wind. Feel her gentle touch in the golden sunlight. She was born to love, kiss our tears away.